popcorn. They're finally here. Finally here. These look so sharp. So much better than the stock ones. Sheesh. What's up, guys? So I have started a little bit without recording. I only did one side though, so I can get a general understanding of how to remove the tail light, which is actually not too hard. But before I get started, these are the tools that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a small little Phillips head. You can use a small flat head or a decent sized one. An 8mm wrench, or if you have a ratchet with a deep socket 8mm, which I doubt most of y'all probably have, but a wrench will do just fine, and then a little hammer. It's actually quite easy. Here's the stock headlight, or I'm sorry, tail light. When this was in here, all I had to do was loosen these 3 8mm, and they are here, here, and here. And that was really easy. And then once that's loosened, you'll use your hammer. You'll tap on probably one of these studs right here to kind of pop it out of place. There's 2 clips right here that go in here and here. They're not too stubborn, but they kind of just help keep it in place. So that's what the hammer's for. You just kind of just pop it right here. And then lastly, for the driver's side tail light, this is the trunk release button, and it goes right here. And this is where the Phillips head comes into play. There's a Phillips head screw here and here. I'll show you how it kind of goes. Nope, other way, I think. Yeah, it seems about right. So it was like that, and it just pops right in place. Nothing too complicated, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and of course, if you have a diode dynamic modulator, then, you know, just unplug the male and female end. All right, now install this new bad boy. First and foremost, we're gonna put our trunk release button. Lord knows I love this button. You guys should too. Oh crap, where did I put those screws? There they are. Oh. It'd be a shame if I scratched them before they got on, huh? I don't know if you guys can see this very well. I'm trying my best to not use my phone as a reference all the time. In. The other one's being a little stubborn. Sure, rip these off because you don't need them. Boom. good. It's not too loose. I can still engage the button. It's not nearly as clean, but that's okay. That'll have to do. All right, so you'll plug this blue end right here because this is your trunk release. Make sure that's plugged in, and then there should be, yep, right here, a little slot to secure it so the wire isn't all over the place. Now I want to say you don't need to replace the bulbs, but I'm going to plug it in and make sure, just in case. You never know. Pain in the neck to do something just to undo it right away, you know? Yep, Gucci. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a fan of the center turn signal thing, so that's why I got this awesome diode dynamic modulator. Gives your car a bit more of a modern day appeal. I hate these stubborn little white clips. There we go. Okay. There. This guy over here. And there we go. I tucked them over here last time. Yep. Sure did. Feed this guy through here and begin aligning the rest of our kit. Give this little wire a tug so it gets in there nice and easy. And just align the little bolts to the holes, really, and that should be it. Well, not officially yet, but y'all catch my drift. Go through with it and say screw it, send it, right? Actually, before I continue on, I want to make sure this modulator works. I hope to God it does. I'd be really upset if it doesn't. I actually, tell y'all the truth, I might not even run the taillights if it doesn't. I don't know why, man, it just really bothers me. Before I torque those down. Yes. God, that looks sharp. All right, I'm gonna get this other taillight done for you guys. Doc, is that a Tommy? Those ugly ass glasses. Let me hear you air out real quick. Woo! Woo! Yeah. My man still ain't got his fucking other relay. Look what he has to do to air up. That shit is funny.
Oh, wait, here.
Oh yeah, I'm missing that one. Damn, look at that corrosion. What a deal.